Are you struggling for repeat customers and spending a lot of money on acquiring new customers every single month? That can get very costly and very time intensive to get new customers. Repeat business is the best way to utilize your resources to generate income and revenue for your business. And one of the best ways to do that is by offering incentives to your current customers. Today, we're going to be talking all about those incentives. How do you reach out to current customers and get them back in the door, get them to bring new people back into you through referral programs? We started that conversation the other day in talking about referral programs and adding incentives for people who do business with you that that get to you through word of mouth. And today we're going to talk about another great strategy: coupons and discounts for your business. Hi, everybody. I'm Monique Carlisle with Midas Web. I am your business optimization and automation coach. And we come on every day, Monday through Thursday at 12 noon Central, to bring you business strategies, tips, tricks, things that you can implement today to make your business move forward. We then take that great strategy and we utilize AI to fulfill it, to create that strategy, to do some research. We've used a lot of AI tools in our other videos. Today, we're going to be using ChatGPT and Perplexity again for research purposes. And then we're going to take that great strategy that we've created, and we're going to implement it in an automation system so that we can put these discounts on autopilot. We at Midas Web do use the high-level system. So if you are familiar with that, hold on. We're going to be talking about how to utilize your system better. And if we can introduce you to it, we'd love to have that conversation with you. Click the link below and join us right after today's training in our open office hours, where we'll be there to answer your questions. It can be about business, strategies, soundboarding, or we can talk about AI or your own high-level platform. Happy to help you utilize your resources in a better way so that you can move your business forward. So, as I said, today we are talking about discounts and coupons. Why do we want this? Well, we all know that as a business owner, we mark up our cost. You have a product and it costs you $30. So you're going to mark it up and you're going to charge $60. 90, 120, you're going to mark it up. Now that markup percentage is completely subjective to your business, your value proposition, and we're not talking about pricing strategies today. What I want to be talking about is that you have space to maneuver that cost and still make profit. That's where coupons and discounts come in. You want to be aware of what your baseline is, what your break even is for that product or service, and then how much room do you have? If you offer a 10% discount, is that going to bring you too close to your break even? If it's not, could you do a 30? Could you do a free item? Maybe you have something that's a bonus thing that you could offer that really doesn't take away from your bottom line. Maybe it's an ebook or something like that. So there are a lot of different ways that you can offer things to your current customers that don't hurt your bottom line. That's the key thing. Do not offer discounts and coupons that hurt your bottom line. You want to make sure that you are offering a reduced price that doesn't hurt your bottom line. I can't emphasize that enough. So don't give it away for free. We're talking about 10%, 20%. We talked previously about the affiliate program, also called a referral program, where you can offer a cash incentive or even a percentage incentive for referrals. Now we're talking about reaching those current customers and bringing them back in your door. So why is it cheaper? Well, they already know, like, and trust you. So you don't have to build that relationship. That's a time saving, right? They already know that your business is high quality, that you're an excellent business owner, you fulfill, you're accountable, you have integrity. They love doing business with you. And now we just want to bring them back. Marketing is a lot less as well. You don't have to go out and convince them for that trust piece to come back to you. So we're really just reaching out and touching them again and saying, we're still here. Let's do business. Why discounts and coupons? Well, again, they don't hurt your bottom line if you give just a little bit. That specific percentage is going to be based on your business. Could be 10%, 15, 20%. Maybe it's a free upgrade. you see this all the time. You come in, you visit 10 times, you get a free something, right? Or you spend $50, you get 10, right? So that's an exchange. They've put in value into your business, revenue, so you're going to give back a little something of value to them. And that's a key point to keep in mind, is what is valuable to your client. If 10% is only going to be $1 of a savings, that's not super valuable. If it's going to be $100 savings, that might be more valuable. But if you're a nail salon or hairstylist or other aesthetic provider, 10% might not be as valuable as, say, a free pedicure. So buy a manicure, get a free pedicure the next time, right? Or buy the spa package and get a facial massage added onto your next package when you come back. So that is a free service that you're offering. So it ends up being kind of like a discount, but it's that offer. And that's what we're talking about today, is how do we create those offers? This week, we are focusing on the accounting niche. So we built out a referral program for CFO services. And so we're going to continue with that. And we're going to do a little bit of research in how we can go the next level. Let me get my keyboard plugged in here. All right. I'm going to pull up Perplexity. I'm going to pull up ChatGPT. And we are going to share my screen. Start in Perplexity, and I think we already have one. So in Perplexity is a great, is your library, but Perplexity is a research tool. I love it because it, so we have an old thread, act in the role of a marketing expert specialist in the finance industry, accounting and bookkeeping. This is where we did our research on what other people are offering as far as referral programs. Remember, our prompt, it has a role, it has our goal, our focus, some background, and it tells me my output. How do I want it? I wanted it in a table. Because my role is going to be the same, we want to stay with the marketing expert. We are going to stay in the same thread. If I was changing my role and I'm developing a service package, perhaps I want to change my role to an accounting expert, someone who's been in the accounting industry for 30 years. But because we're still talking about marketing and programs, we're going to keep it with this role. So I'm just going to scroll down. I'm going to ask a follow-up. Now, something that I have noticed about Perplexity, this happened the other day. Don't know if that was a fluke, but it forgot what I was talking about. So I want to be sure that I am going to continue this. All right, so I'm going to copy my role. These were all the research that we had done before. It gives you where it got the information from. So if you click this, it'll open a second tab and you can read through where Perplexity is getting the information. So this allows you to do reference checks, resource checks, and make sure that the information you're getting is good. All right, so we're going to ask our follow-up. We're going to make sure that it's still in the same role. I want to offer a discount coupon for the CFO services when they are current. Actually, we're not going to do CFO services. Let's do, because it gave me some others up here, so we can continue. Let's say 10% off the next month of bookkeeping. So if you hadn't already done this research, looks like we actually don't even need to use Perplexity, but we can. So let's just keep it much more broad so that we can get some new information. I want to offer other discounts to current clients. These can be percentages, percentage off, or even straight discounts to current services. Please list, so now I'm moving into output. Please list the services an accountant would provide and suggest a coupon or discount for current clients that stay with my business. Specifically, connect add-on services. So for example, if they're doing bookkeeping with you, you might add tax preparation. If you're doing tax preparation, maybe you add on financial advisory. So the coupon is going to be an additional service, or it can be continued service. So like here it says bookkeeping 10% off the next month. But here we have $100 towards the next tax preparation. Well, what if I wanted to do this coupon for this service? So a tax credit coupon for the bookkeeping service. So that's kind of what I'm asking ChatGPT to create. Add-on services that make sense with their current service being provided. Present this in a list. Actually, I'm going to ask it to put a table with the client's current service, being very specific in the first column. The add-on or upsell service in the second column, and the discount in the third column for that upsell service. All right, let's see what it creates from that. Okay, so here's the current service, here's the upsell, and then here's the discount. Okay, so these are really cool because I'm going to show you how to create these in the high-level system. So let's just go with these two. So I'm going to switch over. You could go to ChatGPT and you can create the emails for it. So let's take this one, financial statement preparation. We're going to go straight back to, I think it was this one. Let's make sure. Yep. This is the gift card. So again, I want the marketing specialist. Now ChatGPT does remember which role you're working in, so you don't have to say all this. So I'm going to say this is great. Always compliment your GPT. It helps them do a better job. And they have found that this is because your GPTs will use resources, network resources, to answer all these queries. So thousands of people are using ChatGPT right now. When you compliment it and you say positive things, it tells the system to give you more resources. So you end up getting a better answer. I now want to create an email campaign for my bookkeeping clients. So I'm establishing that they're current bookkeeping clients that will upsell financial statement, I think it said preparation. Yeah, preparation services. I will offer 15% off their financial preparation statement. When they add on that service. All right, so this is how we're going to use both of those tools to create the full strategy. Research first with Perplexity, then development with ChatGPT. Again, as I have said in multiple videos, you want to read through this, make sure that you are happy with the content. It sounds like you, make some tweaks, make some changes. Do not just copy at your company name. You want to go through and make sure you're changing that. We are not talking about email building today. Please check out another video for email campaign creation. So while it's working, I'm going to head over to the high-level system. To create a coupon, we are first going to go to payments because we need to have those services available in our e-commerce. So I'm going to click on payments. We're going to go to products. And we're going to build out those two products. So there's the core product, which is bookkeeping. And let's just say that this is a $400 product. And then we'll go to save it, keeping it very simple. You can build out the description. You can build out variants. Is it For bookkeeping, whatever those variants would look like. If you don't know what variants, you could use ChatGPT or Perplexity to ask, what are all the different types of bookkeeping that I can offer? What are some variations within bookkeeping? Maybe it's packages, 1 month, monthly bookkeeping, or maybe they buy a 6 month or a 12 month. Tax preparation bookkeeping. So coming in at the end of the year and cleaning up their shoebox of receipts. Those are all different things that you can add it as variants. All right, so we have our bookkeeping services, and then we're going to add our financial statement preparation service. Financial preparation service. All right, and let's say that this is $1,000. All right, so now I have my 2 products. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the coupon, and coupons are right next to the products tab. So I'm just going to click on coupons, and I'm going to create a new coupon. This coupon name is internal. Make it very descriptive so you know what this coupon is being used for. So I'm going to put add financial preparation to bookkeeping. So I'm being very specific, and I'm going to tell it 15% off. So again, this is an internal note. You will see this, they do not. Then you need your coupon code. You can generate a random one, or maybe we just put FinPrep15, right? It could be whatever you want. This is what you're going to share with your clients. All right, coupon type. So we have percentage and we have fixed. So fixed is a straight discount, $100, $50, so on and so forth. A percentage coupon is going to be 50%, 10%, 20%. So we're going to put 15%. Now you have to put a start date. So we're going to put today. And you do not need a start time. But if you did want to limit when this discount could be redeemed, maybe you're preparing for a major marketing push and you don't want people taking advantage of this coupon until 3 weeks from now when the marketing push starts, you can add that time. You can also set an end date. So early bird specials, limited time offers, things like that. You can add end date and end time as well. It's optional. These 4 pieces here are super important to pay attention to. So limit the number of times the coupon can be redeemed. In Perplexity, it said off the first 3 months. If I wanted to do that, I would change this to 3. It's only going to let this coupon be redeemed 3 times, right? Now, this is not per person. It's for the entire system. So first 3 people get $100 off. So this is limiting the total number of times the coupon can be redeemed. So we're going to leave that off. Limit the coupon to selected products and offers. This is really important. We are only offering this coupon on the financial preparation service. You can add multiple items to this discount or leave it blank, and that 15% will be good on every product in your system as long as a coupon code has been enabled. And we can talk about those kinds of things when we talk about order forms on another training. So financial preparation service is the one we're going to choose. And do we only want them to use it once? So yes, we only want them to use it 1 time. If you want, you can leave that blank and then they can use it again and again. Also apply to recurring future payments. This is if the financial preparation was a recurring amount. So instead of 1 month or a one-time offer, which is the way it's set up right now, we could actually set it as a recurring monthly subscription style product that they would be billed for every month. Then we could say, okay, apply this 15% to recurring future payments. What I would do is if you wanted to do this 3 months, this is how I would do that. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that selected. I'm going to go ahead and create. I'm going to show you how I would change that. So I'm going to go back to products and we're going to make it a recurring product real quick. So I'm going to click on these 3 dots. I'm going to click edit. And then I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to click into the price. And I'm going to change it from one time to recurring. For this one, and then I'll need to put the number of payments is the total number of charges. So no plus ones here. They're going to be charged one time, then 2 more times to equal a total of 3. So this is not in addition payments. These are total number of payments. If you have any sort of setup or onboarding fee, you can add all of those things. But since we're just going to put 3 payments because this is a 3-month. So, back over here. And then I'm going to click save. Oops, I forgot the billing period, monthly. So you have lots of options here when it comes to recurring. We're going to say it's 3 monthly payments of $1,000. All right, so we are almost done. So now this coupon that we've created, FinPrep15, is going to, here's your coupon code, be applicable to all 3 months. I can change that if I just go into edit. So financial preparation, it's going to apply to future payments. Now, if you only wanted this to apply to the first payment, you would just unselect that. So that 15% will be used one time, and then the second payment will be in full at that $1,000. So we're going to leave it on so that we are honoring this research here, first 3 months, and click save. All right, now we got to get it out to people. So that's where we're going to go, and we're going to create an email. Emails are under marketing. And you can create a template. We're not going to go through the process of actually creating one today, but I did want to show you the email marketing templates. You have a lot to pick from. So just scroll through, search your industry. Let's see, accounting, see if we have anything. So you can pick one that you like and then customize it. Your word choice was done with ChatGPT. This is not the only way to get it out, though. You can also set up automation. So let's say you build a coupon and it's a birthday coupon or an annual coupon. Let's go ahead and create a workflow. And we're actually going to select a recipe because there's a birthday one already there for you. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to see the birthday template. When you select that, it will build it in the system. So we already have that created. So I'm going to show you that. Thought it was already built. We can just search. Let's see if there's a birthday template. Yep, I thought I already had it. So we're going to click into the automation. And this is a pretty standard automation. So on their birthday, again, if you're creating a coupon that's specific to 10% off for your birthday kind of template, you'll use something like this. If you're just sending it out to current customers, you're going to want to customize tags and things like that. So this is where we would put the coupon code. Hey, from your friends, da, 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 make it a really friendly happy birthday. By the way, here's a 15% off coupon, FinPrep15. Now, of course, it would be Fun Prep. That would be awesome for my birthday. This is not an appropriate coupon for a birthday, but this is where you would put the coupon code. You could also put the link to your shopping site, all of those things right in the message. If you wanted to send an email, you just click that plus button. And you would build out your email and say, thank you for being such a great client. Here's 15% off financial prep services. And then you could put an image, you could put, click here to redeem, put the link, www.link.com, and use coupon code FinPrep15. All right, now, I just made this up, but of course, you don't have to. You have all of this already created, and you would just add in, here's your special offer, 15%, use FinPrep. Here, you could build it into a website and add a trigger link. Those are all extra things that we're not going to have time for today. We'll try to go through trigger links next week because they are a very, very powerful piece of the system. So I hope this was helpful in showing you how to use the coupons and the products and discounts. If you have any questions or would like to talk more about this amazing platform, please click the link below. Join us in open office hours, and I am there to help you grow and develop your business. So I'll see you there. Bye now.